Section 7.3, number 18. Obesity is defined as a body mass index of 30 kilograms per meter squared or more. A 95% confidence interval for the percentage of U.S. adults ages 20 years and over who were obese was found to be 22.4 to 23.5%. What was the sample size? With this particular problem, in order to figure out that sample size, I need a couple of things. Recall the formula goes p hat times q hat times our z sub alpha divided by 2 divided by our error. Okay, and then you square that. In this particular problem, the only thing that's truly given to us is that z sub alpha divided by 2. We need to be able to figure out what p hat is, as well as from there go for the q hat and then find the error. Now p hat is the idea of the average of these two endpoints. So this is an endpoint for my proportion and this is the other endpoint. So to get that average, I'm going to take these two values and add them up. And then divide by 2. That's going to give me a p hat. 0.224 plus 0.35235 is 0.459, but now I have to divide that answer by 2. So this is my p hat. 0.2295. We're going to try to stay as close to our values as possible without rounding. We're going to round at the very end. That tells me then that q hat is 1 minus that value. So 1 minus second answer. Clear. 1 minus second answer. 0.7705. I've got p hat, q hat. Now the only thing I need to figure out from the rest of this formula is the error. Now the error is the absolute difference between the sample proportion and the endpoint, which means I'm going to take either one of my endpoints, I'll go with the higher one, 0.235, and minus my sample proportion, 0.2295. And that's going to give me 0.0055. It's a matter of just substituting in my formula with the values that I now know. Notice how I left them as 4 digits. On the calculator, I would go 0.2295 times 0.7705 parenthesis 1.96 divided by 0.0055, close that parenthesis, and then I need it to be squared. And then hit enter. 22456.5. 22456.5. Since we're talking about a sample, we want to round up to 22,457. I realize that's not the answer that I gave you in class today, but at least I'm following the directions that I was given, and this is what I come up with. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.